Hi everyone! Welcome to Gadgets Insider. If you're on the hunt for the coolest and most educational toys for kids, you're in the right place. Let's explore the top 5 learning toys on Amazon for 2025. Number 1. Smartivity DIY Mechanical Hand. The Smartivity DIY Robotic Mechanical Hand STEM toy is ideal for ages 8 to 14. This 2024 Parents' Choice Award winner transforms playtime into a thrilling engineering adventure. With easy instructions, lifetime replacement parts, and eco-friendly materials, kids develop key skills and a love for STEM. Trusted worldwide, this exciting kit is the ultimate birthday gift for any young innovator. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Sillbird STEM Solar Robot Toys. The Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 Solar Robot Toys is packed with 12 exciting robot designs. This kit encourages kids aged 8 to 13 to explore renewable energy and engineering. With 2 complexity levels, an upgraded solar panel for powerful action, and easy-to-follow instructions, it's a screen-free educational experience. Perfect for birthdays and family fun, this kit boosts STEM skills and creativity while kids learn and play. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Aullsaty Talking Flashcards. This toddler toy's talking flashcards is perfect for kids aged 1 to 6. This Montessori-inspired set features 248 sight words in 14 categories, making learning fun and interactive. Kids slide cards into a cute, cat-shaped reader to hear accurate American pronunciations, real animal sounds, and more. Ideal for early learning, speech therapy, and autism support, this rechargeable and portable toy is the perfect educational gift. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. LeapFrog Mr. Pencil's Scribble, Write and Read. The LeapFrog Mr. Pencil's Scribble, Write and Read is designed for kids aged 3 and up. Mr. Pencil guides little learners in tracing uppercase and lowercase letters, transforming them into fun animals and objects. Kids can even practice writing their names and counting objects. With a sounded-out bar for new words, this interactive toy makes learning letters and numbers super fun. Perfect for early writing adventures. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Coodoo Magnetic Tiles. The Coodoo Magnetic Tiles Starter Pack. For kids age 3 and up, this 40-piece set is a perfect introduction to magnetic tile play. With rainbow-colored tiles compatible with other brands, kids can create endless shapes and structures while developing STEM skills, pattern recognition, and problem-solving. Made with safe, durable ABS plastic, these tiles make fantastic gifts for birthdays, holidays, or collaborative classroom activities. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.